Yo, I'm live. And I could open up my live chat. Yeah. Also, okay, this is cool. So, mic destination, the stream or the game, I could switch. Okay, that's cool too. Okay. Just gonna hide this. I'm just gonna make sure that the stream is streaming properly. Okay. Um.